Hi everybody, it is Flip Flop Mountaineer, and as you know, I take you on adventures to hidden and secret places in the tri-state area that you may not know about. And today, I'm in my home state of Tennessee. I'm in Polk County overlooking Lake Chilhowee, but I'm taking you on my favorite hike today. We're going to see a beautiful waterfall right here in Polk County, Tennessee. It is Benton Falls. So stick with me as I take you and we explore Tennessee. Let's explore. On the trail to Benton Falls. I'm going to show you some of the sights along the way, but I want you to stay tuned to the end so I can show you the waterfall. So stick around, let's explore some more. Well, this is one of my favorite trails. They've actually made some improvements to it since I was here last. But it's about a 3-mile round trip. So you hike back about 1.5 miles, and then you know, have to hike back from the falls to the parking lot about 1.5 miles. So it's not too terrible, but they really cleared the trails. So it's really not a bad hike. I would say that it's moderate because there are some sketchy places towards the end when you get to the waterfall. But it's a beautiful day. It's like in the 80s here today, and it's pretty quiet. So I'm liking it. So let's go see that waterfall. Well, we're just at the beginning of the fall. We're in September, and I just wanted to show you some of the leaves that are starting to change. It's really pretty. So I'm starting to see a little bit of color as I take the walk back to the falls. And yeah, it's just a beautiful day. Like I said, it's in the 80s. And yeah, I just couldn't ask for a better day to do this hike. So stick around, let's go see that waterfall, and I'll see if I can find some more fall leaves to show you. Still hiking down to the falls. I just finally passed somebody, probably about halfway on the trail, and it was the first person I passed that's coming up from the falls. So they said it's kind of a lighter day with the falls because we haven't had a lot of rain, but let's go check it out. Let's go see Benton Falls. There, you can hear the falls. I'm on the steps, and we're almost to Benton Falls. So stick around, let me show you the falls. Okay, I told you about the tricky part. We're coming up on it, so I'm going to show you what the hardest part of the trail looks like so that you can gauge it for yourself to see if you want to come in person and hike Benton Falls. So let me show you what it looks like. Hi everybody, it's Flip Flop Mountaineer, and if you like the content you're seeing, I ask that you do me a favor. Look for this rubber chicken and subscribe. Hey guys, we made it. We are at Benton Falls, right here in my home county of Polk County, Tennessee. But we have more exploring to do. So what I want you to do is to like and subscribe and come with me. Because you know, if you can't make it in person, chances are I just might be taking you there. Let's explore.